Running a 2 PC stream has become even easier. You don't even need a capture card anymore. Stick with me and I'll show you how through this video. Welcome back, I'm Wicked Skill and this is Wicked's Tech Labs. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to run a 2 PC stream without a capture card. This is not going to be a full setup video for a 2 PC stream. I'll save that for a later video. This is just going to be how you can get your stuff from your gaming PC to your streaming PC using just a plugin in OBS. If you're having issues getting some things working, or if you're having issues within Teleport, make sure you leave a comment in the bottom so I can try and help you out as best I can. This does work. I use it on my stream every time I go live with my co-stream with my son. We actually run a 3 PC setup using StreamerBot to control everything. So if you want to come check that out, come find us over on Twitch at wicked_skill. First off is to take both PCs and download OBS. On the left side, I have my PC, and on the right side, I have my laptop. And you can see we're using the same version on both computers. Then we're going to move over to the GitHub. We're going to go to OBS Teleport. I'll leave the link for this down in the description so you can get to it as well. We're going to be using the OBS Teleport zip file. You're just going to go ahead and click on it and download it. Once you have the file downloaded, it's going to show up as a zip file. You're going to right click on it and extract all, and you can extract it all anywhere you'd like to keep it. Just know where you put it, that way you can get back to it. Once it's extracted, it'll look like this. We're going to go ahead and go into the Windows folder, and then we're just going to double click on Teleport and install it. It will now show up in your OBS. You may have to restart OBS for it to show up, but up here in Tools and then Teleport, you can see I have it on both computers. I'm not going to go super in depth on how to set up a 2 PC stream in this video. That'll be for another video. In this one, I'm just going to show you how to use Teleport. But as you can see on my main gaming PC, I have just a few scenes that I want to get transferred over to my laptop to actually stream. And then in my laptop, you can see that's where I keep all of my other scenes and sources for the entirety of the stream. Now that we got that far, we're just going to go ahead and set up a basic scene in OBS. In this scene here, you can see I have my camera, I have my display capture, and I have my microphone, which are all hooked to my gaming PC. Then we're going to go up here to Tools, Teleport, and we're going to enable Teleport. We're going to name it our gaming PC just so we know that's what it is on the other side. Port can be left at 0. And then quality, I've been leaving at 50%. I've tested from 50 to 100, and really I've only noticed more network usage than I have anything else, so the resolution wasn't a big deal. Now onto the streaming laptop. Over here, you're going to make your scenes to stream. And then in the sources, we're just going to hit the plus and we're going to go to Teleport. We're going to create a new teleport, and then we're going to hit refresh list. In this drop down box here, you're going to find your gaming PC from the other computer, and then you're going to go ahead and click on it and then hit OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and enable the preview on this side. Like I said, with the way I'm showing this off, it's going to start showing a lot of doubling up, so don't mind that, but you're just going to see the basic overview. When I hit enable preview, you're going to see my camera here, and then you're going to see my display capture, and then down here you can see while I'm talking, my microphone is also coming across from my gaming computer to the streaming computer. And then on the streaming computer, you can see I put in my overlays for my camera, my son's camera over here. This is where I do all my alerts, my bits, my walk-on videos and everything, so that I'm not cluttering up my gaming computer while we're streaming. So as a quick recap, anything that's in your gaming computer will move over to your streaming computer. So if you're gaming, make sure you have your game audio in your sources, or if you're in Discord and you want your Discord audio from your chat to be moved over, make sure that's in your sources. And then you'll still control the volumes via OBS on your gaming computer, so you can control them individually. If you use the one that's on your streaming computer, it's just going to turn all of the audio down or all of the audio up. Then just for some quick troubleshooting, if you're using this and you start downloading a game, you may see the network start to cause a little bit of lag between the two different streams. You can just go into your Tools, Teleport, and you can disable your teleport while your video is downloading or your game is updating, whatever it is. Once it's done, then you can turn it back on, and you don't actually have to shut your whole stream down like you normally would if you were having issues with some lag like that. Once the updating is done, you turn Teleport back on, and your streaming computer will pick it back up, and your stream never ended. One little bonus tip if you are trying to connect one PC to the other PC and you're not seeing them in teleport, make sure that you have them both hooked up to the same switch. So in my house, I have different switches that run different things. So my computers are tied into the same switch. That way it makes it easier to find. If you only have one router at your house, just make sure they're both connected to the same router. It gets a little bit more complicated the more stuff you have. But if you just have them both plugged into the same device where your internet comes from, it makes it so much easier. If this video helped you out, please share it out with your friends. If there's a video you'd like to see, put it in the comments and I'll try and get it made up for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for coming back for another Wicked's Tech Lab video.